In today's video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from emails in Yahoo Mail so you can stop unwanted newsletters and promotions. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign into your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside your inbox, find an email from the sender you want to unsubscribe from. You can scroll through your messages or use the search bar at the top to type the sender's name or email address to locate it quickly. Open one of their recent emails. Many legitimate marketing emails include an unsubscribe link either at the top of the message near the sender's details or at the very bottom in the footer. If Yahoo detects a subscription email, you may even see an unsubscribe button at the top of the message. Click that option. If you don't see a built-in Yahoo unsubscribe button, scroll to the bottom of the email and click the unsubscribe link provided by the sender. This will usually open a new page asking you to confirm. Choose the option that fully unsubscribes you rather than just reducing email frequency unless you prefer fewer emails instead of stopping them entirely. After confirming, you should see a confirmation message on screen. Some services may also send a final confirmation email. Keep in mind it can take a few days for the request to process, and you might still receive emails that were already scheduled. That's it. Open the email, use the unsubscribe option, confirm your choice, and your inbox will gradually become cleaner and more manageable.